we've got some news coming out of the state of Texas from the north side over in the city of Fort Worth. NVIDIA and Wistron. Wistron is an electrical manufacturer based out of Taiwan. They opened their first factory here on American soil. It's a $700 million building, 324,000 square foot facility. They're going to be building the NVIDIA GB300 Grace Blackwell Ultra Superchips, and they're going to be mass produced in this facility. They're also in the future going to be building the Vera Rubin Superchips. They're going to be expanding and scaling, doing about tens of thousands of these computer boards per month. They've created about 500 jobs to date, and they plan by the end of the year to have that up to about 1,000. So if you're in construction, if you're an electrician or a plumber or a tech, there may be some opportunities out there. They're also going to be building a D2 factory. So it's going to be twice the size and twice the capacity. Texas Triangle, Dallas, Austin, Houston just continues to grow. A lot of innovation happening in this region. That's it. Until next time.